Good evening everyone. This is the YouTube channel FastPC. I'm Pavlos Lalis and today I have a new arrival. It's about the Police Mess Up wristwatch. So let's see what's inside this very nice box. This is it. It's a very nice, very beautiful watch. And this is the 2-year warranty booklet and the instruction manual. It has been opened by the supplier because I ordered to fix the bracelet at my wrist size. So here I have the two remaining pieces. It looks fine. It's nice and heavy. It's an absolutely beautiful watch. Here at the back, I don't know if it's very visible, but here is there is the serial number. Very nice. This is all about the unboxing the watch. I will make an upcoming there is an upcoming new video about reviewing the watch. So thanks for watching, and if you like you can subscribe to this channel. Thanks all very much. I hope you have a nice evening.